Welcome to my channel. We are discussing about CNC programming basic. It means some basic programming, how to write program and what are G codes. We are discussing about that. And already I have given a short information about G codes and M codes in my old videos. If you want to see it, you can go through the link in the description. And also I had a video about what the point needs to be known before writing a program, and in today's video we see about some G codes with a brief information, and the video is about G00 and G01. I already said that G00 is rapid movement, and G01 is movement with feed. It means the difference is, in this G00 we do not give any particular feed to the machine, but in G01 we give some particular feed. By giving this particular feed only, the code G01 will be activated. And let's see. First, you think that here this is a check. I am saying about horizontal lathe machine, and it is work has been clamped. It is work, and we have some position like turret here, and for the turret we have tool T1. Means T1 is placed in the tool is placed in the T1 position. And now at the starting of the cycle, our turret is stay in the home position. When it is in the home position, it takes time to come to the work while we machining. Let's see, it's a raw product of some length of 30 mm and die of 20 mm. So it is need to be converted into like some step turning. Oh, sorry about the drawings, you don't feel about it. And this to be made of 10 mm. Already in this length is 30, and it stepped up to 10 mm, and as usual it is 20. We cannot touch this part because when we machine all this along the length, it will take more time to finish the video. And let's see, starting first, while using G00 we see about the program, how to write the program while writing the program. And just to be clear about the axis, because axis depends upon the machine. See, this is x plus and this is x minus, z plus and it is this is minus. And let's see, I am writing simple program, not a difficult one. Let's see. Now first, turret need to be in home position, it should be clear of it. So we write G28 U0.0 and W0.0. okay, it's end of block. It need to be for the program, end of block is necessary. It means the line has been ended there, it represents that. And G28 is home position, so U and W are the indications of x and z. U is x and W is z. When we use G28 and G00, mainly we use U and W as x z represents. And now it is in the home position. Then we call of tool T1, because we only placed only one tool, that's why we call T1. So Later the tool 1 has been arrived, then we need to start the spindle. So we use code like G97 and M03. Later some specific speed of 500, some speed of 500. G97 is the indicates surface spindle speed, and M03 is the direction of the spindle. It means it need to be rotated in clockwise, oh sorry, it's anti-clockwise, or need to be rotated in clockwise. It depends upon the code. And it means also it depends upon the cutting tool direction. It also depends on it. Later, first we already said that in the video before writing CNC program. I explained what the point need to be considered before writing a program, and there's some point like first writing a program we should know where is x0 and z0 of the part. Either we can take the x and z0s for the finished good, or finished part, or a raw product. And here we see for a raw product, just think of it, for in a lathe machine mainly we use it to cut the symmetrical components. So for every symmetrical component or a product, the x0 will be center of the part. It means it is the x0, and z0 depends upon the where we taking, and we start the program from there to write, and I consider it is to be as z0. So it is the z0 and the center is the x0. So now G00 X20.0 and Z something, we should take Z from more distance from the component, because some of the raw products will have excess material. It may damage tool, so we take some 1.0. So for this the tool travels with the feed of the machine to from here to here. It means it will travel first to here and it comes to here, x0 and x20 and z 1.0. Now I will draw here with the points. This is the part to be machined, and the tool arrives here. Okay, it is the 20 and z 1.0. It is the first point. Tool comes here. Later this is about 0, and now we see about G01. Okay, now our tool is here, G01. At first we need to cut about 5 mm at a time. It is somehow it may damage the tool, so we cut half of it. So let's take x 18.0 and with feed 0.5. Now the tool travels from here to something here, x 18.0. okay, then with it moves, but in G00 it comes within seconds, but here it moves according to the feed we provided for the turret. Okay, then G01 Z something, here we need to cut up to 10 mm from here to Z0 to 10 mm. So we cut for here the tool need to travel from x18 from here to something z minus 10. Okay, so we give minus 10.0 with the same feed. Once we for G01, once we mention the feed at starting, it will be continued until we change the feed. So it comes to here, the cutting has been like this, and we need the product. Still it have, I think, nearly 18 means this side 2 mm and it is 2 mm. Total 4 mm has been, material has been cut, and we have 16 mm here. Then it is need to be machined up to 10 mm, so that G01 X sorry for that, we have one mistake here. It will be 18 not 16, because we mentioned X18, so dia will leave up to 18 and remaining will be cut. We give this low amount because some rough castings have extra material, that's why we give low amount of cutting. Then now we give it as 14. It will, the process will be repeated same as p 0.5 and G01 Z same minus 10.0 and a block. Later it will, now it has been converted into like this. It means it is 14 and it is 10. Don't compare the relativity in between the two of this. For simple purpose I am saying like this. I'm not a good drawer. Now let's see. Then now it should be take to 10, because low amount of material we create. X 10.0, yeah, 0.5 and G01 Z minus 10.0, etc. Sorry, end of block. In this cut, our part has been, our final part has been, finished product has been arrived here. Conditions, it is of 10 and 10. It means in this part our tool has been here. Okay, later G01 X10, it comes to here and it will be machined to here like this. I hope you understand. And now the tool has been need to be take to his home position. So before taking home position, we should move a little bit from the part. So we use again G00 U1.0 and W1.0. It means it moves from X 1 mm and Z 1 mm. It will be somewhere position like here. Oh, okay. Now it is moved. Then we can directly move to its home position. G28 U0.0 W0.0. Here we start the spindle. We turn the spindle, so we should turn off the spindle. Then we use M05 here, and here we do not use any coolant. If we use coolant, then we need to mention M09. If we need to mention coolant, we can also mention here M08 something, and up to here our program has been end. So we should mention M30 as program end. It is the code of program end. I hope you all understand both G00 and G00 and G01. In the next video I will explain about G02 and 003. If you want our old videos, want to see our old videos, you can check out the link in the description. I think it's also helpful for you. Thank you guys for watching this video until here, and please like, share and subscribe. It will be useful for others also. Thank you guys.